The 20 euro cent 2002 F coin refers to a standard circulation 20 cents coin minted in Germany, with a mint mark, F, identifying the Stuttgart State Mint, and it is part of the first ever euro coinage issued for circulation, since 2002 was the official launch year of euro coins and banknotes across the Eurozone. The coin is bimetallic in appearance but actually made of an alloy called Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin, which gives it a distinctive golden color while being nickel-free and hypoallergenic, weighs 5.74 grams, has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, a thickness of 2.14 millimeters, and features a smooth edge with 7 indentations. Spanish flower shape, designed to help visually impaired users distinguish it by touch. The obverse, national side, of the German 20-cent coin shows the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin, a powerful symbol of German unity and European integration, designed by Reinhard Heinsdorf, with the letter F near the design indicating Stuttgart Mint, surrounded by the 12 stars of the European Union, while the reverse, common side, shared by all Euro countries, was designed by Luc Luyx and depicts a map of Europe, pre-2007 design, showing only Western Europe, the denomination 20 euro cent, and vertical lines symbolizing unity among European nations. In 2002, Germany produced very large quantities of 20-cent coins across all 5 mints: A equals Berlin, D equals Munich, F equals Stuttgart, G equals Karlsruhe, J equals Hamburg, making the 2002 F issue common rather than rare, with typical circulated examples worth face value, 20 cents, and uncirculated or mint state examples usually selling for 30 cents to 1 euro, while brilliant uncirculated, BU, or official mint set examples may reach 2 to 5 euros, and only coins with major minting errors, such as off-center strikes, wrong planchets, or double strikes, command higher prices from collectors. Historically, this coin represents a major monetary transition, replacing the Deutsche Mark and marking Germany's participation in the largest currency changeover in modern history, and while it is not rare, it is symbolically significant, especially to collectors who focus on first-year euro issues, German mint varieties, or complete euro denomination sets, and because the Stuttgart Mint, F, is one of Germany's 5 federal mints, its coins are actively collected as part of mint mark completion sets, making the 20 euro cent 2002 FA foundational, historically important, but economically modest piece of modern European numismatics. The next top. The 20 euro cent coin of 2006 is part of the standard circulation coinage of the euro, the common currency used by countries of the European Union within the Eurozone, and it represents both the practical monetary unit and a symbol of European integration, political cooperation, and shared economic identity. Introduced alongside the euro itself in 1999 for electronic transactions and in 2002 for physical circulation, the 20-cent coin occupies a middle denomination position between small everyday change and higher value coins, making it one of the most frequently used euro coins in daily commerce across member states. The coin has a face value of 20 cents, equivalent to 1/5 of a euro, and in 2006 it was minted by multiple euro-using countries, each issuing coins with a common European reverse side and a national obverse side unique to the issuing country, meaning that a 2006 20 euro cent coin can exist in many visually distinct versions while remaining legally valid throughout the entire Eurozone. The common reverse design, created by Belgian designer Luc Luyx, features a stylized map of Europe showing the European Union as a connected whole, symbolizing unity and cooperation, with the denomination 20 euro cent clearly displayed along with horizontal lines that suggest connection and stability. In 2006, the map still reflected the pre-2007 EU expansion design, meaning newer member states were not yet fully represented individually, which makes pre-2007 coins subtly distinct from later issues. The coin is made from Nordic gold, an alloy consisting of 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin, giving it a distinctive golden color despite containing no actual gold, chosen for durability, resistance to corrosion, and ease of recognition for the public, including the visually impaired. The 20 cent coin has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, a thickness of approximately 2.14 millimeters, and a weight of 5.74 grams, and one of its most recognizable features is its 7 indents along the edge, known as a Spanish flower shape, which helps differentiate it by touch from other euro denominations. The edge is smooth but shaped, not reeded, making it unique among common European coinage and particularly useful in vending machines and automated systems. In 2006, euro coins were produced by national mints such as those in Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Belgium, the Netherlands, Austria, Finland, Greece, Ireland, Portugal, Luxembourg, and others, each mint striking millions of pieces according to national demand, resulting in very high overall mintages that make most 2006 20 cent coins common and not rare, especially in circulated condition. The national obverse designs vary significantly. For example, Germany's 20-cent coin features the Brandenburg Gate, symbolizing unity and peace. France's version shows Marianne, a national symbol of liberty and reason. Italy's depicts a unique modern sculpture by Umberto Boccioni. Spain's carries the portrait of King Juan Carlos I. Austria's features Belvedere Palace. Greece's shows Ioannis Kapodistrias, a key historical figure, and each design reflects the issuing country's history, culture, and identity, while still adhering to EU regulations regarding inscriptions and stars. All euro coins, including the 20-cent piece, are required to display 12 stars, representing unity rather than the number of member states, arranged in a circle consistent with the European flag. The year 2006 itself is not particularly rare or special from a numismatic standpoint, but it falls within an important early period of euro circulation, when the currency was still solidifying public trust and replacing long-standing national currencies, such as the German Deutsche Mark, French franc, and Italian lira. From a collector's perspective, most 2006 20 cent coins in circulated condition are worth exactly face value, while uncirculated coins or mint set examples may carry a small premium, especially if they come from countries with lower mintages such as Finland or Luxembourg, though even these typically remain affordable and accessible to beginner collectors. Errors, such as off-center strikes, wrong metal strikes, or die cracks, can significantly increase value, but such errors are rare and must be professionally verified. The coin plays an important role in everyday life across Europe, commonly used for transportation, small purchases, parking meters, and vending machines, and it has become familiar to hundreds of millions of people, making it one of the most recognizable symbols of European economic unity. Beyond its monetary function, the 20 cent coin of 2006 also serves as a small but tangible artifact of early 21st century European history, reflecting design choices, political values, and technological standards of the time, and it continues to circulate alongside newer issues, silently connecting past and present within the shared economic space of the Eurozone. The next top. The 20 cent 2006 F coin is part of the standard circulating coinage of the Eurozone, specifically Germany, which is one of the original Euro-adopting countries. The letter F is the mint mark for the Stuttgart State Mint, Staatliche Münzen Baden-Württemberg, Preisstadt Stuttgart. Germany uses 5 different mint marks: A. Berlin, D. Munich, F. Stuttgart, G. Karlsruhe, and J. Hamburg, and each mint produces coins independently, which makes mint marks important to collectors. The 2006 issue was produced during a period when euro coins were already well established in daily circulation, meaning quality control, design consistency, and metal standards were fully stabilized compared to the very first euro years, 1999 to 2002. The obverse, national side, of the German 20-cent coin features the Brandenburg Gate, one of Germany's most powerful national symbols. The gate represents unity, freedom, and European integration, especially meaningful after German reunification in 1990. This design was created by Reinhard Heinsdorf, and it appears on all German 10, 20, and 50-cent coins. The gate is shown in a clean, architectural style, surrounded by 12 stars, which symbolize the ideals of unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe, not the number of member states. On the German coins, the year 2006 appears on the obverse, along with the mint mark F, usually positioned discreetly near the design. The reverse, common side, of the coin is shared by all euro-using countries and was designed by Luc Luix of the Royal Belgian Mint. It shows a map of Europe, pre-2007 enlargement style, with lines symbolizing connections between European nations. The denomination 20 euro cent is clearly displayed, along with vertical lines and stars emphasizing unity and movement. This older map design is significant because it represents Europe before the major redesign in 2007, making 2006 one of the last years of the original reverse map, which adds historical interest for collectors. In terms of physical characteristics, the 20 euro cent coin has a distinctive Spanish flower shape with 7 indentations, designed to help visually impaired users identify the coin by touch. It has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, a weight of 5.74 grams, and a thickness of about 2.14 millimeters. The coin is made from Nordic gold, an alloy consisting of 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. Despite its name, Nordic gold contains no actual gold, but it is valued for its durability, corrosion resistance, and golden color. This alloy is also non-magnetic and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for circulation coins used daily by millions of people. Regarding mintage and availability, the 2006 German 20-cent coin from Mint F was produced in large quantities, as Germany has one of the highest coin production volumes in Europe due to its population and economic activity. Because of this, the coin is not considered rare, especially in circulated condition. Most examples found today show signs of wear such as smoothing on the Brandenburg Gate details and minor edge wear, which is normal after years of circulation. Uncirculated UNC or brilliant uncirculated BU. Examples are more desirable to collectors, especially if they come directly from official mint sets. From a collector's value perspective, the 20 euro cent 2006 F coin usually has little premium over face value when circulated. In uncirculated condition, it may be worth slightly more, typically a modest amount depending on condition, demand, and whether it is part of a complete mint mark set. Its main appeal lies in set completion, mint mark collecting, and historical context rather than investment value. Coins with errors, such as off-center strikes, double dies, or planchet flaws, can be significantly more valuable, but such errors are rare and must be professionally verified. Historically, this coin represents a mature phase of the euro currency, when public acceptance was high and the euro had become a symbol of everyday European identity. The presence of the Brandenburg Gate reflects Germany's emphasis on unity and openness within Europe, while the share reverse reinforces the idea of economic and political cooperation. Even though the coin is common, it serves as a tangible piece of early 21st century European history, connecting national identity with a shared continental currency. In summary, the 20 euro cent 2006 F. Stuttgart Mint coin is a standard circulation German euro coin made of Nordic gold, featuring the Brandenburg Gate and the original EU map design. It is common, historically stable, and widely collected mainly for completeness rather than rarity. Its value is primarily symbolic and educational, representing Germany's role in the euro system and the broader story of European integration during the mid-2000s. The next top. The 20 euro cent coin of 2007 from Ayr, Ireland, is part of Ireland's standard circulating euro coinage and represents a blend of modern European monetary integration and deep Irish national symbolism, making it interesting both historically and numismatically. The coin is denominated at 20 euro cents and is composed of Nordic gold, an alloy of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin, which gives it its distinctive golden color despite containing no actual gold. It has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, a weight of 5.74 grams, and a thickness of 2.14 millimeters, with a smooth edge featuring 7 indents, a design shared across all Eurozone 20-cent coins to aid recognition by touch. The obverse, national side, of the Irish coin, used consistently from Ireland's adoption of the euro in 2002 onward, features the Celtic harp, a traditional symbol of Ireland that has been associated with Irish identity since medieval times and has appeared on Irish coinage for centuries, including pre-decimal coins and the modern Irish passport. The harp shown is based on the Trinity College harp, Brian Boru harp, one of the oldest surviving harps in Ireland, emphasizing continuity between Ireland's cultural heritage and its modern statehood. To the left of the harp appears the word Éire, the Irish language name of the country, reaffirming the importance of the Irish language in national identity, while the year 2007 is inscribed to the right, marking the year of minting. Surrounding the central design are 12 five-pointed stars, symbolizing the European Union and representing unity, harmony, and solidarity among member states rather than the number of countries. The reverse, common side of the coin, designed by Belgian engraver Luc Luix, is shared by all Eurozone countries and displays the denomination 20 euro cent, a map of Europe showing the EU as a connected whole, and vertical lines symbolizing cooperation between European nations. The 2007 Irish 20-cent coin was minted during a period of strong economic activity in Ireland, often referred to as the later phase of the Celtic Tiger era, when euro coins were heavily used in everyday transactions such as retail, transport, and vending machines, meaning that large quantities were produced and circulated widely. These coins were struck primarily at the Royal Mint in the United Kingdom and other contracted European mints, as Ireland does not operate its own minting facility. From a collector's perspective, the 2007 issue is not rare, as mintages were high the next top. The 20 euro cent 2008 Éire coin is part of Ireland's standard circulation euro coinage and represents a blend of modern European monetary unity and deeply rooted Irish national symbolism, making it interesting both for everyday use and for numismatists. Issued in 2008, a significant year during Ireland's economic transition, just before the global financial crisis fully impacted the country, the coin follows the common euro design rules while retaining a uniquely Irish identity on its national side. The coin is composed of Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, which gives it its distinctive golden color despite containing no actual gold. This alloy is chosen for durability, corrosion resistance, and ease of recognition. It has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, a weight of 5.74 grams, and a thickness of 2.14 millimeters, with a smooth edge featuring 7 indents, making it easily distinguishable by touch from other euro denominations. The obverse, national side, features the iconic Celtic harp, a centuries-old symbol of Ireland associated with sovereignty, culture, and national pride, rendered in a clean and modern style based on the Trinity College harp. To the left of the harp is the word Éire, the Irish language name for Ireland, emphasizing the country's linguistic and cultural heritage, while the year 2008 appears to the right, indicating the year of minting. Surrounding the design are 12 five-pointed stars, representing the European Union and symbolizing unity, solidarity, and harmony among member states, a design element consistent across all euro coins. The reverse, common European side, designed by Luc Luix, shows a map of Europe without internal borders, as used on pre-2007 designs for lower denominations, though still stylistically consistent in 2008 circulation, along with the denomination 20 euro cent, reinforcing the coin's role as legal tender throughout the Eurozone. The 20-cent coin sits in a practical middle position within the euro system, commonly used for small purchases and change, making it one of the more frequently circulated coins, and as a result, most 2008 Éire examples found today show signs of wear unless preserved in mint condition. While the coin is not rare and was minted in large quantities for everyday use, it holds collector interest as part of complete year sets, Ireland-specific collections, or Euro-type collections, especially in uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated (BU) condition. Its monetary value remains its face value in circulation, but collector value can be slightly higher depending on condition, provenance, and whether it comes from official mint sets. Overall, the 2008 Irish 20 euro cent coin stands as a small yet meaningful artifact of Ireland's place in the Euro era, combining functional design, national symbolism, and European identity in a durable piece of everyday history.